Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. I'm going to show you how to do a master switch in the left front door. It's going to be very simple. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay friends, so we've got the door open. We want to remove this plate right here, okay? All we're going to do is use something small like a pocket screwdriver. Just try to get it in there. Use something plastic. Lift and pull this up and out. There we are. Right here there's a little clip. There's that. Now we'll go ahead and remove the Phillips head screws right along here. And we'll take our switch right out. So we've got 3 Phillips head screws. We're just going to remove those. There's one. Screw number 2, same as the first. I'm going to go with the assumption the third one's the same as well. Screw number 3. And we'll take this, lift it out. There's our front window switch assembly. So now it's time to get this back together. We're going to take our switch unit, whether it's new or old. This one works, so we're just going to slide it back in. Get all the screw holes lined up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start in these screws. I'm not going to tighten any of them until they're all started. This one. There we are. Let's install it. So here we go. We're going to take our connector, slide it in. Right here, there's a little slot. Go straight down. This is going to go in. Then this clippy do is going to hold it in right there. There we are, installed. Let's test it. Oh, let me grab the key. Love it. Good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.